Hey everyone! Grab your sunglasses and maybe a vintage surfboard, because the ultimate road trip icon is officially back and, honestly, it's looking better than ever. We are talking about the 2027 Volkswagen Microbus, or as the tech heads call it, the ID. Buzz. Now, if you've been following the rumors, you know VW actually skipped a 2026 model year in North America just to get this 2027 version perfect. And let me tell you, the wait was worth it. Standing next to this thing, you can't help but smile. It's got that classic V-shaped face and the massive VW logo that screams 1960s Woodstock, but the ultra-slim LED matrix headlights and those smooth, aerodynamic lines make it look like it just landed from the future. It's nostalgia, but without the oil leaks and the 50-mile-per-hour top speed. Speaking of speed, let's talk about what's happening under that floorboard. While the original was, well, leisurely, the 2027 model is a total powerhouse. For the first time, we're seeing a real focus on that high-performance GTX trim. We're talking dual-motor all-wheel drive, what VW calls 4Motion, pushing out around 335 horsepower. It'll do 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. In a van. And for those asking about a hybrid, while the Buzz is the flagship for VW's electric future, the 2027 lineup is refining that battery tech to give us a much more usable range, upwards of 260 miles on a charge, and fast charging that can get you back to 80% while you're grabbing a coffee and a snack. But the real wow factor happens when those dual power sliding doors glide open. The interior is basically a mobile lounge. It is massive. We've got 3 rows of seating that can fit 7 people comfortably, and if you're more into van life than soccer mom life, the seats are incredibly modular. You can fold them, slide them, or remove the 3rd row entirely to unlock nearly 150 cubic feet of space. VW also listened to the feedback on the tech. The 2027 model gets an upgraded 12.9-inch infotainment screen that's way more intuitive, and, thankfully, the touch sliders for volume and climate are finally backlit so you can actually see them at night. Plus, there's this incredible electrochromic panoramic sunroof. With the touch of a button, the glass goes from transparent to opaque, which is basically magic when the sun is beating down on a summer drive. Now, for the adventurers, this isn't just a pavement princess. With that all-wheel drive system and a bit of extra ground clearance, the 2027 Microbus is surprisingly capable of hitting some light trails or sandy beach paths. It's got that rugged, go-anywhere spirit of the original Synchro models, but with modern traction control that actually knows what it's doing. In terms of the wallet, expect the 2027 lineup to start somewhere in the low $60,000 range. It's definitely a premium move, but when you compare it to the old-school buses that are currently selling for 6 figures at auctions, it's kind of a steal for a brand-new daily driver. Whether you're a lifelong VW fan or just someone who wants the coolest EV on the block, the 2027 Microbus proves that some icons never go out of style, they just get a really good battery. Summer 2027 can't come soon enough.